Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear student of the first year and third year classes, let us know about the lactochemistry article, lactolysis and various its types and procedures in which it is carried out. The term electrolysis was introduced by Michael Faraday, and Greek word lysis meaning loosening. Lysis mean loosening. So electrolysis mean loosening by electricity. Loosening by electricity. Electrolytes are the substances able to conduct electricity in molten or in liquid state, undergo chemical change. Electrolysis. Electrolysis is a process where the electrolyte are broken down into its constituent element by passing electricity through it. Again, listen. Electrolysis is a process Electrolysis is a process where the electrolytes are broken down into its constituent element by passing electricity through it. Electrolysis is the redox decomposition of an ionic compound by passing electricity through molten compound or aqueous solution of the compound. Electrolysis is the redox decomposition of an ionic compound by passing electricity through molten compound or aqueous solution of the compound. Electricity is used to produce the chemical change. The apparatus used for the electrolysis is called electrolytic cell. Electrolytic cell is an electrochemical cell in which an electric current derived and otherwise non-spontaneous reaction. An electrolytic cell is the electrochemical cell in which an electric current derives the non-spontaneous redox reaction. Let us learn about the electrolytic cell composition and its working. Student, you know that there are two electrodes inserted in a jar. One is connected to negative terminal of the battery known as cathode, while is connected to positive terminal of the battery known as anode. Opposite ions moving toward the opposite terminal. The positive ion that move toward the negative cathode and negative ion move toward the positive anode. At anode, positively charged ion, at anode it is positively charged and negatively charged ions collected here. In electrolysis process, the negatively charged anion lost its electron in molten as well as in aqueous state to provide the reaction and its product. Similarly, at the cathode, by passing the DC electric current, the positive particle collected at cathode and they get electron and becomes solid or in molten form, they are compound changes. You student, you know that cathode is the terminal where electron gain is take place. So it is a terminal where reduction occur. At anode, the ion electron loss, so the oxidation take place at anode and reduction take place at cathode. How do you know which ion will be discharged? The selection of the ion be discharged during electrolysis be based on fundamental factor product of the electrolysis. Number 1, types of electrolyte, either in molten or solution form, electrochemical series, molarity and concentration of the solution. Number 4, types of electrode, either the electrode is a night electrode and it is a reactive electrode. Types of electrolysis are divided into two classes. Electrolysis take place in solution and number 2, electrolysis take place in molten form. First of all, let us learn about the electrolysis take in molten form. Pure and ionic compound in liquid form ionize its ion, while in solution form impure mixture of ionic compound undergo electrolysis process. The product in both cases are different. Electrolysis of molten lead bromide. Dear student, you know that during electrolysis of molten lead bromide decomposes into lead ion, lead Pb positive 2 ion that move toward the cathode and bromide negative 2 ion move toward the anode. Bromide at anode lost electron and converted into bromine gas, while lead positive 2 ion gain 2 electron at cathode and change to the molten lead. So these electrolysis of molten lead bromide result in the product of the lead molten state and bromine in gaseous state. Bromide lost 2 electron change to bromine gas, which of brown color at anode, while at cathode silvery white liquid of the lead is obtained by when the lead ion gain 2 electron converted into molten lead. The combination of two half cell equation, we get overall reaction that represent the electrolysis of molten lead bromide. PbBr2 changes into lead positive 2 ion and bromide -1 9. Bromide move toward the anode while lead move toward the cathode. Overall product will be lead solid and bromine gas will be formed in this molten electrolysis. Electrolysis of alkaline sodium hydroxide in molten state. Sodium hydroxide in molten state change into sodium ion and hydroxyl ion. Sodium ion move to the cathode where it gain one electron, change to the sodium molten metal, while hydroxyl ion move toward the anode where it lost electron and converted to hydroxyl group where 4 hydroxyl group changes to 2 water molecule and oxygen gas evolve here. Overall reaction 4 sodium hydroxide molten form 4 sodium hydroxide molten formula unit converted into 4 sodium molten atom and 2 water molecule and oxygen gas. Electrolysis in solution. In solution, water will also ionize into hydrogen and hydroxyl ion. The selection of ion to be discharging during electrolysis of the solution is based upon factor position of ion in electrochemical series. The ion in the electrochemical series will be selectively discharged. The ion which are present in lower in the electrochemical series will selectively discharge the concentration of ion in electrolyte. The particular ion with higher concentration will selectively discharge. Types of electrode used in electrolysis. Active electrodes occur in electrolysis and ionize from its signs. These three factors, position of ion in electrochemical series, will determine either the ion will lose electron or it gain electron. Similarly, concentration of the electrolyte will determine if the concentration is higher then it is discharged, otherwise lower concentration will not discharge. Electrode if is inert then it do not take part in the reaction. If it reactive then it change to its signs. Electrochemical series, there is a list of the element in order of their ability to be reduced. This is the list of the element in order of their ability to reduced. For cations, the higher element in the series, the less likely it is that will be gain electron. For anion, the higher it is on the series, less likely to be lose electron. Electrolysis of brine solution. Student, you know that saturated solution of sodium chloride in water is known as brine solution. Sodium chloride ionizes into sodium ion and chloride ion, while at the same time water molecule ionizes into hydrogen ion and hydroxyl ion simultaneously. The two ions, chloride and hydroxyl ion, move toward the anode, while the positive ion, sodium ion and hydrogen ion, move toward the anode. Hydroxyl ion and chloride ion compete for the electron loss, while the hydrogen ion and sodium ion compete for the electron gain. As earlier we studied, it depends upon the concentration, nature of electrolyte, position in electrochemical series. Sodium ion compete with hydrogen ion. Sodium ion is much more in size and it is with 10 electron, while hydrogen ion is too small with no electron. So hydrogen ion pick up the electron and change to hydrogen gas immediately, while sodium ion do not pick up the electron and it passes into the solution. At anode, hydroxyl ion and chloride ion compete for the electron loss. Hydroxyl ion is very less in concentration, which is equal to 10 power minus 7 moles per liter, while chloride ion is more concentration. 2 chloride ion by loss of electron change to the chlorine gas at anode. Overall reaction, sodium chloride aqueous, sodium chloride, 2 molecule of sodium chloride react with 2 water molecule to produce hydrogen gas, chlorine gas along with 2 mole of sodium hydroxide. Copper sulfate aqueous electrolysis. Similarly, 2 mole of copper sulfate and 2 mole of water produce copper solid, oxygen gas and along with 2 mole of sulfuric acid. Inert electrode do not actually participate in electrolysis but just provide the electrical current. These are generally made of graphite, platinum and mercury. An active electrode actually participate in electrolysis while providing electric current, usually made of the metal that corresponding to the metallic ions in the electrolyte. These are the zinc, copper, aluminum, chromium and nickel. Generally, reactive electrode made from the zinc, copper, aluminum, chromium and nickel. They are lost electron and goes to the solution. Faraday law of electrolysis. Michael Faraday, on the basis of his research, investigated the electrolysis quantitatively. He found that during electrolysis, the quantity of the substance liberated at electrode depends upon the following 3 factors: the quantity of current passed times duration of the passing the current at uniform rate, charge on the ion being deposited. Some important uses of the electrolysis here in shown in diagram. Covering metals on the surface of another metal is known as electroplating. There are various electroplating are in our homes, such as tap water, also electroplated water have pipes, iron pipes. Extraction of the reactive metals such as aluminum foil. Various types of the aluminum foils are deposited with more have a thick layer of aluminum oxide to protect from the atmosphere effect. Similarly, in manufacture of the various chemicals such as chlorine, sodium chloride, bleach, and many others. Similarly, copper is purified by the electrolysis process. These are the process in which electrophoresis and electroplating both involve to carry out the reaction. In electroplating, electrolytic process formation of thin protective coating on non-reactive over supermetal as an article made of more reactive or inferior metal. Purpose to protect the article from rusting, to make the article look better. Most commonly used metal for the electroplating, these are copper, chromium, silver, and tin. The anode usually is made of the plating metal. Object to be plated is at cathode. Electrometallurgy. Electrometallurgy is the process extraction of the metal from the ore by the electrolysis process. Manufacture of the metal like sodium, potassium, magnesium, calcium, aluminium, etc. These are obtained by the electrolysis of the fused electrolysis. Manufacture of non-metal like hydrogen, fluorine, chlorine are obtained by electrolysis process. Electro-refining of the metal. This is the process of the refining the metal, removing impurity from the metal by the process electrolysis use in this method to purify the metal like copper, silver, gold, aluminum, and tin are refined by electrolysis. Various compounds also manufactured by the electrolysis such as sodium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide, sodium carbonate, potassium chlorate, white lead, potassium permanganate, etc. are manufactured by the electrolysis. Electroplating, the process of coating an inferior metal with the superior metal by electrolysis, is known as electroplating. The aim of electroplating to prevent the inferior metal from corrosion, to make it more attractive in appearance. Thank you, student. Allah Hafiz. See you next time.